So Nino, come check this out real quick. This right here is a good way to make sure there's not a head. So you just use the wire and you kind of make two loops. So you make a loop there and a loop there, and then you make sure that there's nothing to, if you gotta pull it back,
Yeah.
see how that's like a little like barb for a fishing anchor?
Yep.
You gotta make sure that that's not gonna hook in the fish's mouth if you gotta pull it back. Alright? And then just make sure it's nothing to stick on. Hold it down and then back up nice and even without building it up too much, you know. Alright. There we go. So now I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna try to pull that through. Started that light down there. Okay. Just keep cleaning, and when I ask you to kind of guide and tell me like what I want to do is pull this one out first.
Okay.
And then, so this will be clean, just clean. All right.
Should I take this?
Yeah, bend those, tape them, make sure they don't get up on there.
Now, is it adequate to do it like that?
Yeah,
Fine.
just make sure it's taped well. And it's not, there's not
like a bulbous
Right.
area.
get a good stick going.
Okay.
So I got this one now. And this one should go through, right? Look at that. Whoa! I'm such a shit.
I didn't know that off already. Oh, you got there?
I'm gonna cut this so you can. Grab that. And then grab this. Put it somewhere it won't get working. Hurting. You wanna go grab me a drill and 2 like 1.5 good wood screws. So, pull that one back. Go ahead and pull that slack back all the way to there. So that down there, well, that's what we were doing. I'll go show us that. Just pull it straight back. No, one at a time. Just pull it. There you go.
I got it.
I mean, it might have been easier to go to the very end and just pull, but I don't know. Now you're putting kinks in it and it won't.
Oh, that's worse.
No, it's just. So that's telling you the battery's going dead.
Okay.
Alright, so get a battery on charge and replace that. I'm gonna go
Yeah,
show.
we have some backups.
So we just put that in. It was. So it's just gonna be a little tiny light up there for now, but it's gonna put off way more light than the other one. Nino, where'd you put that other light?
In the box, on the stand, and the doorway right there.
No, the other light that we took down. Okay, there it is. There's the light that came down. It was like some old school chandelier with painted glass and brass. So that's what we took down. The next light we're doing, we're gonna reuse this light. Unfortunately, we gotta get that one rewired, and then we can close up the floor in the bathroom. Grab me that bucket of string.
Okay.
We're going to tie this onto that, and then tape that onto this. So just watch me for a second. Do we have the tape? Can we grab the electric tape? That's it, thank you. Awesome. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to use this guy and I'm going to cut these two off to get them out of the way, right?
Okay.
We should have plenty on this piece right here. So I'm just gonna make sure there's no head there. Alright. So then this, I'm going to make a nice loop, right? With a sleek head on it. Okay. Alright, so we got the hallway chandelier down and wired up. It's turned into like a recess style light now. And then the other one is going out there to the porch for the porch light. And then we're running the electric up from the basement to the switch box instead of feeding it from over here. So we're almost ready to start putting the subfloor back down after we clean up a little bit. So